There are advantages that we can get if we activate Print Title in Microsoft Excel. By activating Print Title, we don't have to bother typing the title on each page, if we want to print in Microsoft Excel with the same title on each page. The most obvious benefit is when we create a table that is more than one page long. By using Print Title, we don't have to bother creating column titles for the table on each page, because they will automatically appear when printed. However, there is a drawback if we use this feature, namely that the column title will continue to appear even though the page we print is not a continuation of the table we created. Now, to remove it or deactivate Print Title, the method is the same as when we activate it. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. The method is, Friends, go to the Page Layout menu, then Friends, select Print Titles. Clear or delete the contents in rows to repeat at top. After that, Friends, click OK and see the results. Print Title will automatically be deactivated or disappear. How? Easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends. See you in the next video.